Cooking broiler chicken as a stew is something that I always find challenging. So many things can go wrong. So today I'm going to use a broiler chicken to cook an Ethiopian dish known as doro wat. What I understand, you have to cut your chicken into at least 8 to 10 parts, then soak it in lemon water for at least 1 hour because the chicken needs to be really clean. Well, the main character of doro wat is onion. I've never used so much onion before in one dish. Let's start frying. Since the onions were too much, I wouldn't risk frying, so I soaked my onions in water for at least 30 minutes before I started chopping off, and it worked. I did not lose a tear. I'm going to add my onion in a hot cooking pot, no oil, nothing. Then I'll let my onion cook for at least 1 hour before I add ginger and garlic paste with a little bit of cooking oil. I will cook this for another 20 minutes. Make sure you keep on mixing so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Then I will come in with my Berber spice, which I made at home because I couldn't find one where I was. I will leave the recipe on the description box and the spices I used to make Berber spice. I added ghee, then I added water and salt and put my chicken in and let it cook for another 40 minutes. Once my chicken is ready, I'm going to add in boiled eggs. At this point, my food is ready. It does not only look good, it tastes good. Ni tamu.